In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Lovable subscription plan. Whether you're looking to upgrade for more benefits or perhaps scale down your current plan, I'll guide you through this simple process, ensuring that you can manage your subscription effortlessly. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, start by heading over to the Lovable dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention towards the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon nestled there. Go ahead and click on it. This icon serves as your gateway to customizing many personal settings within Lovable, so it's a great place to start any adjustments you want to make. After clicking your profile icon, the next step is to select Settings. You can find this option clearly labeled. Clicking on Settings will take you to a hub of preferences and account features. We all know how crucial it is to regularly check and update these settings, ensuring everything is aligned with our current needs and preferences. Now that you're in the Settings section, your next move is to locate and click on Workspace. The Workspace option is your dashboard's command center. It's where you manage and oversee the structural aspects of your account, including your subscription details. This is an important step in customizing your subscription experience, as it gives you a clear view of the current state of your account. Once you're inside the Workspace settings, look for the Plans and Credit Usage option. Selecting this will present you with all the available plans, allowing you to review what you're currently signed up for and see the other options on offer. Understanding your credit usage is a smart move, as it helps you make an informed decision regarding your subscription needs. Finally, you'll want to select a new plan. Spend some time exploring the available options to determine which plan matches your needs best. Once you've decided, simple selection is all it takes. Keep in mind, switching plans might affect billing periods and payments, so make sure to read the details carefully. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you have successfully navigated the Lovable dashboard to change your subscription plan. This process is incredibly straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring you can adjust your account as your needs evolve. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your Lovable experience even better. Be sure to check back for more handy tips and tutorials. Until next time.